Protects and restores moisture for anyone with coarse, curly, kinky, frizzy and/or natural texture hair. This nourishing co-wash will gently cleanse your hair and scalp while leaving your natural oils intact. Kristin Ess. Curl. An entire collection fully focused on slip, moisture plus definition. Keep it rich on wash day and incorporate additional hydration into your styling routine. Use these styling products alone or layered together, depending on what your hair needs. For medium to coarse curls, cleansing plus conditioning, frizz fighting, non-sudsing, humidity shielding. How to divide your hair into 4 to 6 sections, depending on thickness. Apply a quarter to silver dollar-sized amount at the root of each section. Massage into the scalp for about a minute per section. Work the co-wash through middle and ends as you rinse it out. Cruelty-free, color plus keratin safe, vegan, free of drying alcohols, sulfates, parabens, phthalate plus silicones. Protects and restores moisture for anyone with coarse, curly, kinky, frizzy and/or natural texture hair. This nourishing co-wash will gently cleanse your hair and scalp while leaving your natural oils intact. Top reviews from the United States. Luscious lather. I've never used a co-wash before and wasn't sure what to expect. I am Caucasian with very curly hair, that I always air dry with a leave-in conditioner on. I am 55 and my hair is getting very dry, so I don't like to shampoo too often, but my scalp also needs it. So I tried this. I was pleasantly surprised at how much it lathered and how creamy and rich the lather was. My hair felt silky after rinsing and I only needed a bit of leave-in conditioner afterwards. After air drying my hair felt soft. My only issue was that I didn't really care for the scent while using it. But I am very sensitive that way. I am sure I will get used to it.